Pictograph is exactly what it sounds like. It is a graph that is represented by pictures. So you see here we have all these different cities, New York, Los Angeles, Cleveland, and then we have these pictures of soccer balls in each one. One of the most important things with pictographs is make sure you look at the key. Somewhere on the graph there will be a key that will let you know what each picture is worth. In this picture, each soccer ball is worth 2 goals. So if I were to go to Boston and figure out how many goals Boston scored, it'd be 2, 4, 6, and then this half one would be 1, because it's a half of a soccer ball. One whole soccer ball is worth 2, a half of a soccer ball would be worth 1. So it's 2, 4, 6, 7. So Boston would have scored 7 goals. Texas, just 1 goal. Washington, 2, 4, 4 goals. Los Angeles, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, plus 1, 15 goals. Now, just like other graphs, you'll be asked to find the range. Always, to figure out the range, you're going to do the highest number minus the lowest number. So 15 is our... Pittsburgh scored the most. They have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 is our highest. And our lowest is Texas with 1. So to figure out the range, 16 minus 1 equals 15. So our range is 15 goals. They'll also ask questions about which one has the most. Just like bar graphs, to find out which one has the most, just see which one has the most pictures, which one goes out the farthest. Make sure you double check it by counting them up and figuring out how many are actually in each column. Fewest, opposite thing. See which one has the smallest amount of pictures, and that's going to be your fewest. But once again, you want to make sure you double check that. If they ever ask how many more, you always want to make sure you subtract. For example, if they want to know how many more goals did Cleveland score than Washington, Cleveland scored 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Washington scored 4, so we'd do 11 minus 4, which is 7. So Cleveland scored 7 more goals than Washington. So once again, pictograph is a graph that's represented by pictures. Make sure you check out the key, because the key is not always 1 picture equals 2. Sometimes it's a picture equals 5, sometimes it's a picture equals 10, sometimes it's a picture equals 1. And that's why you always need to make sure you check out the key.